This is going to be a video to introduce Canvas and to help you navigate our course, figure out where to go to see assignments or tasks. So if you're watching this video, that means you are on the home page, which is right here. So here's my email. I'm just going to kind of walk through how to navigate this course. You can read our welcome letter if you want. You can read the syllabus, recommend reading the syllabus. Once we complete our student and teacher expectations, I'll post them there. So let's talk about office hours now, just on the home page. I'll have office hours 4 days a week, and that's just going to be a Google Meet link where I'm online and you can just hop on when you have a question or need something from me. So you can either just click here to join the Meet, the Google Meet link, or you can use this number to dial in. Anytime, Monday, Tuesday, this R means Thursday, Friday, from 2:30 to 3:30. That's when I will be online. I'll have the camera on me, just waiting for you to join and ask some questions. So now let's talk about course navigation and what you'll have access to see. So you might see that this says announcements, and I don't have an announcements tab yet because I haven't made an announcement yet. But once I do, that'll show up right here. You just click on it and it'll just be a message from me, something that I felt I needed to communicate with you. For example, if my office hours change, I'll make an announcement. I'll probably make weekly announcements, just kind of announcing how the week is going to look or how the last week went, or if I have a survey for you to provide feedback for your online learning, I'll post that in announcements. And that'll show up on this to-do. It'll say announcement from this class. So actually, while I mention it, let's talk about this to-do list. So when I post assignments, which you'll find in modules, and we'll talk about that, they'll also show up right here on this to-do list. So it'll say Flipgrid assignment, period 2, which I think you will only see one of these. If you see 2, then I'll have to fix something. But anyways, so you'll see that you have this activity that's worth 2 points and is due September 4th at 11:59 p.m. And you can also view your tasks on this course calendar, which is just a calendar view. I'll go to it. So this will just be a calendar, and as I scroll down, you can see this is where these activities show up, or your assignments or your tasks, whatever your teachers assign to you. When they are due, they'll show up on this calendar. So if this is a helpful way for you to keep track of your assignments, use it. And I guess I'm not quite sure how to go back, but we'll just go back to the course. So I click Course, I go to Integrated Math 2D. So this is the class we are in. Okay, let's see. So we talked about announcements, we talked about this to-do, we touched on the classwork. So to view any classwork, you'll go to Modules, which is right here. So as you can see, there's only one module. That's just this grouping. It's highlighted with this gray color. This means it's a module. This is where you'll access all of the work for this class. So for example, this first day, I just have the things that we're going to complete on the first day. So this is just some slides. You can just look through those, make sure we're on the same page. And then there'll be a Flipgrid activity for y'all so we can get to know each other a little bit. And so you can get to know Flipgrid, because that's a tool we will use in this class. And then you'll activate your Big Ideas account. So all you need to do is click on this item in the module. And then, so this is the first one. And then you don't have to keep going back to modules and clicking on each separate item. If you just scroll down, you can just hit this next button, and then you just progress through the module. So you click next, and then you complete that activity, and then you click next. Okay. And that's modules, and this is where I'm going to post all of the work for this class. So I had the first day as a separate module, and then I'll have another module for chapter 1 activities. And I'll just keep posting it. I'll keep posting items in it as we cover it in class. Let's see what else with modules. One last thing. See, I viewed this page, so I had to view it. That's what this means. that means I get a green check mark. So that's a way you can determine how far along you are in the module and what work you still need to do also. So once I complete this Flipgrid activity and I'll mark it as done, then this will show up as a green check mark. Well, actually, I can just click it here. Must mark it as done. So you have to click in it. Okay. And then once you view this page, then you'll also get a green check mark. And that's just to help you determine what you have done and what you still need to get done. And then the last thing on Canvas are your grades. I won't click it into it because this test student doesn't have any grades because they haven't been graded on anything. But this is just where you'll access your grades for the course. And you can check Canvas grades or JMC, but they will be the same. I'm going to line them up so that whatever is on Canvas is in JMC and that your overall grade is the same in both places. So you can check one or the other, or you can check both, but no matter what you check, you will see your accurate grade. Okay, and I do want to show you one last thing, and that's this inbox feature in Canvas right here. So you go all the way to the left-hand side. So this is where you see your courses. This is where you see your calendar, so an overall calendar for all of your classes. And then here's your inbox. Okay, so this is an inbox feature in Canvas, and it's just email through Canvas. That's all it is. I will email you through Canvas. You can email me back in Canvas, or you can email me in Canvas. But if you're more comfortable, you can also email my school account. That's okay too. To write an email, you click on this little pencil guy up here, and you select your course, and then you write the subject of your email. So for me, just tell me what you have a question on. If it's a specific assignment, write that as the subject. You know, Flipgrid activity. Yes. And then just type your message right here. And then click send. And you can also attach a file if you need to, or record yourself speaking. If you're more comfortable with that, that's okay with me. Yep. And that's what I have scheduled to talk about in this video. So please feel free to reach out if you have any questions at all navigating Canvas. We can email, we can meet on Google Meet, and you can share your screen, and I can help you walk through things too and help you navigate this course and learn this tool. Just know that I'm here to help. I'm here to teach you. I'm here to teach you how to use this tool as well. So just let me know what you need and what questions you have.